machine as well, but it's not a new name, is it? The Talent is well, it's very well known.
Talent, patented name from 1988, and was very successful in the UK at the time. We've not really adapted this name until now, so this is the first time it's been shown again.
So the Talent is back. This is a Talent 51. This is an MSY, so this is a sub-spindle mill drill turning centre. This is available from ETG in the UK, as with all the Hardinge turning centres. What's some of the characteristics about the machine that are going to make the Talent a success?
Well, the design of the machine harks back to a family of machines which we call a flying wedge. So this has the carriage and cross slide moving on a flat bed. This has been a very, very stiff design in spite of criticism. However, it's proven over time to be very stiff, very accurate, very rigid. So we've brought that design back into this machine. That's important.
Okay, now this is a 51mm bar machine. It's a multi-axis machine. Where's it going to fit in the marketplace? Where are you aiming it?
Well, the configuration called MSY, milling subspindle with Y-axis, is a growing segment, a very, very important segment. If you look at Japanese, Korean, European builders of machines like this, that configuration has been present for a few years now, and we needed to be there with this product.
Because you have the GS range at the moment, don't you? Now, am I right in saying that this is going to replace the GS range in time, the Talent?
Well, in the existing GS small range, that range will phase out and be replaced by the Talent range, for sure. But not short term in the larger sizes of GS. So for 2017, the larger GSs will remain, but eventually by 2018 there will be a Talent version of those larger models.
So at the moment we've got Talent 51, which denotes the bar capacity, correct?
Correct.
And in the future will come maybe Talent 65s or Talent 76s and replace those GSs?
This is correct.
So as you look forward, as you project, this is a big thing for you guys now at Hardinge, isn't it? This is kind of your future in the turning centre market.
Well, the size segment has always been at least 60% of that segment, single turret, don't forget. And so the MSY as a component in that segment is vitally important for the future, vitally important for the present. So we've arrived with it now.
Now you've got a BMT turret on this, but some of the GS models have a VDI. Where do you see the differences between those two turrets?
Very interesting how, okay, BMT is the leading turret design to fit these days. However, as we push into Eastern Europe, there's a lot of traditional VDI that will take time to change and migrate to BMT, in spite of the advantages of BMT.
Put a lot of attention to detail on the design of this. It looks neat and tidy.
It's very tidy. I've seen the machine for the first time this morning at 9 o'clock. We're now at 1 o'clock. And I've been totally impressed with the look and feel of the machine, how smooth it is.
Is the window standard, a big window?
This is a new big window. We've not had a window of this size on these machines before. The H51 behind me has an even bigger window, but the machine has been designed very ergonomically. The panel behind me is tiltable towards the operator. So it's very, very user-friendly.
Now, you're very famous in the world of work holding as well at Hardinge. Is this compatible with all the work holding? Is it the C5 collet system or whatever you used to call it?
The very latest CFS, Centrex Flex spindle design, has migrated from the US-built machines to this model. So we now have this particular spindle, which gives complete universal adaptation for collet systems. Traditional Hardinge, or here you have Heinbuch right now.
How quick would it take to go from a Heinbuch to a Hardinge?
About 10 minutes.
So very versatile.
Very.
Final point, the control. You're running on a Siemens control, but I think it's important for our viewers to know you can have FANUC as well, correct?
Yeah, you can have FANUC 0i TF, so this is the latest version of that particular turning control, or you can have the Siemens 828D, which is on this machine right now.
Look forward to seeing this at the Engineering Technology Group in the UK. Thanks, Bob.
Pleasure. Thank you.